Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B. I bought some things from IGel Beauty and I really want to give them a try. I picked up that neon color and I really want to try it out today. However, I don't have any monomer. So until my monomer comes in, I decided to use the Builder bottle gel or the Builder gel in a bottle. And this was my first time ever using Builder gel that comes in a bottle. So I was really interested to see how this would be. So off camera, I prep my nails, apply my tips. So here you see me clipping them down. And then I'm applying some base gel that I had and I cured that for 30 seconds. So I applied this builder gel and I tried to make it thin, as you can see, but builder gel is super thick. So I applied a thin coat to all my nails and I cured it for 60 seconds. After I cured my nails for 60 seconds, I came in with another coat of builder gel and I just completely covered the nail. And then while it was still wet, I got another coat, kind of just like a little ball. And then I applied that to the apex type area, like the apex area. And then I just started gently rocking my brush back and forth. Now, this is definitely one of those things that you have to kind of just get the feel for it. I don't really feel like there's like a perfect method, but this worked for me. So I will continue to use this method. After I applied the amount that I felt was necessary for the right coverage, I flipped my nail upside down and I allowed the gel to kind of work for me and build its own apex. So it's not really detrimental if you don't have it perfect. If you just flip your hands for about 10 seconds and then flip it back and pop it under that light, and I cured it for 60 seconds. And then I just come through and I did the exact same thing on all 10 nails. This was actually very easy, even on my non-dominant hand. You know, anybody who does their own nails, you know that sometimes that hand is, you know, typically not as cute. So I definitely enjoyed this process. Like once I got the hang of it, I definitely will be purchasing more of this. I might get a few more colors. I believe this color was like sheer nude or something, but I'll make sure I leave the link in the description box. But while I'm talking about that, I am doing a giveaway. I'll be giving away a red iguana practice finger. So if you're interested, all you have to do to enter is follow all of my social medias. I'll make sure I leave the links in the description box. And then just comment below your Instagram so that way I can contact you if you're the winner. But that is it. I wanted to keep it very simple. And I hope you guys absolutely love these nails because I know I do. These came out so pretty. I'm not really a short nail girl, but after these, I might be because these just came out so pretty. So once I finished my nails, I cured them another 60 seconds, like the entire set. And then I took some rubbing alcohol and I removed the sticky layer. And then I come in with my favorite bit of all time. So I'll make sure I leave this in the description box to clean up around the cuticles, make sure everything was flush, nice and neat. I just absolutely love this bit. After I finished with this bit, then I came and I actually used my sanding bit and then I buffed my nails. I applied my top coat, cured it, and that's it, y'all. I love this set. Let me know what you guys think of this set. Don't forget to subscribe and enter in the giveaway. And I will see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.